We come before you seeking healing in body, mind, and soul. Touch us with your tender healing hand. Your power makes all things possible, bringing comfort where there is pain. Ignite hope deep within our spirit. Renew our strength, soothe our wounds, and mend what is broken as only you can. Revive our weary souls with your grace. Calm our fears and ease our anxieties, replacing doubt with faith that you are the great physician. Instill peace that surpasses understanding. Guide the hands of those who care for us. Grant wisdom and compassion to every healer, and infuse our hearts with courage. Restore us to fullness of life. We claim your promise of renewal and stand in hope. Now, Lord, act powerfully, shine your healing light upon us. Rise up, restore, and call us into wholeness.